Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Friday. It's kind of nice to look back there and say, okay, there's the work week. Weekend's ahead of us. We got some snow to talk about moving in later tonight. First, it's still cold. 20 degrees in Paris, 22 in Robinson, 20 in Vincennes. I got 19 here in Terre Haute. This is the warmest it's been today, folks, and the numbers. If you've watched the winds, wind speeds yesterday sustained 20, 25, 30-mile-an-hour winds that just wouldn't quit. They're a little bit better today. I mean, it's still breezy, and those winds are cold. You got a wind chill of 8 in Terre Haute right now, 11 in Rockville, 17 in Linton, feels like 19 down in Olney. Flora, how's it going on a Friday? Your wind chill's at 15 degrees. It's pretty much cold everywhere, but no surprise, it's February 1st. We're used to this. Snowfall potential this weekend. Got a lot of wide areas here. We're filling this in. 1 to 2 inches of snow is expected during the day tomorrow. It starts after midnight tonight, lasts through most of the day tomorrow, but 1 to 2 inches of snow here. This blue area, again, when you get closer to Indianapolis, you get into the city of Indianapolis and a little bit farther to the north, they're going to go 2 to 3 inches of snow there. So if you've got plans to see some family and friends up there this weekend, they're going to see a little bit heavier snow. Northern Indiana the same. We're going to go with about 1 to 2 inches of snow locally, and that's everybody from north to south right here in the Wabash Valley. Well, where's it coming from? It's coming from the west, northwest, a clipper type system. We typically don't see our biggest snowfalls out of these guys. They clip through. They typically move through a little faster than what this one's going to do, but it just doesn't have that wet moisture, that wet kind of snow. This is going to be a drier snow coming out of this guy. It's struggling a little bit to get organized, but watch our futurecast. It does get this system organized. After midnight tonight, we're getting into the early morning hours tomorrow. Lower 20s for temperatures. Not real windy. Surprisingly enough, we've had a very windy week. Winds finally calmed down a little bit. They'll be out of the south. So temperatures tonight, lower 20s, the overnight low. If you saw me a little minute ago, 19 is our current temperature. We're actually going to warm up 1 or 2 degrees. That'll add a little moisture for this snow, but notice this clock. It's moving. It's going. That snow barely moves out in the afternoon. That's why I said off and on. It's off at times during the afternoon and then tries to move back in late Saturday night, another little blast of some light snow. So again, 1 to 2 inches total snow for the weekend. This does impact the first part of Sunday, only minor accumulations early Sunday morning before this system moves out of here and it stays cold for Sunday. So let's run through this again. Snow showers moving in. 1 inch of accumulation tonight, by tomorrow morning, 22 the overnight low, 1 to 2 inches total snow through the day tomorrow. So we are going to have some trouble travel spots there. 30 degrees your high tomorrow. Minor accumulations, light snow hangs around for Sunday morning as you saw right there on Futurecast, but gone for Sunday afternoon. And your 7-day forecast, we stay below average until next week. We get some 40s in there Thursday and Friday, and even looking at the next, say, 14 days into the following weekend, it does look like we get into a slight little warming trend, but here in the short term, Susie, it is going to stay cold. Snow's moving in. We're going to track it for you as it moves through.